Hello, so today we are gonna complete the whole edition. We're gonna make these 4 as I mentioned in my last video. So let's see the bricks to all of those. Okay, so these are the bricks for 2 tanks. So let's see. Come on, go inside. This is Tog 11. Doesn't it look cool? This is also one of my favorite tanks. So this is the Tog 11. It's a medium tank and a strong cannon on the front. No door cannons on the back. Whoops. Yeah, this is gonna be a Bumblebee. It has a Bumblebee camo. It's just a normal tank with a strong cannon. Just like Tog 11, but its cannon won't be like this. Yeah, here. Wait, yeah, here. Whoa. So that's the Bumblebee and Tog 11. The Bumblebee is a light tank, but it's not light in weight. As in my previous video, light tanks have lot of movement, medium speed but very less damage, and medium tanks are mainly meant for speed. They have medium damage and medium control, but they are very bad at aiming. So let's see the bricks to the next tank. Okay, so these are the bricks for the last 2 tanks. This tank has a special grey camo. Isn't it cool? Look at the end, he'll end up like this. Small holes. Whoa, where did that go? Oh, here. Whoa. And this is your first tank. Nothing's happening in here. Just a nice, pleasant day. Cool. This is a heavy tank with lots of armor. It's a double barrel headshot. Yeah. Did you see this unique brick in one of my previous videos? Yeah, and these are your full tanks now. Let's see from light to a tank destroyer. Look, this is a light tank. Light tank has a lot of movement, but they have medium speed and very less damage. Medium tanks are mainly meant for speed. They have medium damage and medium movement, but they are bad at aiming. Heavy tanks have lot of armor and damage, but they have very less movement and speed. Tank destroyers are medium speed, medium movement, medium damage, but they are bad at aiming and rotating their turret. So that's bad. And they also have a peek hole from the top. That's cool. So I think you are done with all the not that pencil. 14 tanks. and you can have enough 7 versus 7 battle. Or if you cannot, make sure to download the World of Tanks Blitz. It's a game where you can battle 7 versus 7 tanks. It's a team battle, and you can earn tanks till tier 10 and so many cool others. So thanks for watching. See you later, and don't forget to subscribe and like our videos and be the first one to see all of our new latest videos. See ya.